Hi everyone, it's Vince here. On today's video, I'm going to show you some apps that will actually pay you to play games. I hope you all enjoy. Please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you did. It all helps my channel grow. Let's kick this off. First up, we have Cash Cow. Cash Cow is a playtime rewards application that runs on a coin-based currency system. Essentially, the longer you play games for, the more coins you're able to generate. Now, granted, it does get more difficult as time goes on to generate money on each of the apps, but if you're able to actually play and get paid per minute instead of the level-based system which some countries have, you'll be able to cash out at roughly 60 cents or so minimum. Here in Australia, it was 70 cents minimum for 4,999 coins. Cash Cow in my country goes all the way up to $26.50, guys. And I have to say, there are a ton of games that you're able to play. Cash Cow paid me within 2 days after cashing out. Next up, we have Gameplay. Gameplay is a new money-making application that allows you to generate cryptocurrency, PayPal currency, and various gift cards simply through completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and completing offers. Of course, depending on where you live, Gameplay is going to behave completely different, but here in Australia, I had about 10 different offer walls easily to go through to generate these coins. And I do have to say, the prices on Gameplay are actually quite average compared to the market right now, but you might find some that are paying actually quite good, depending on the offer wall that you go through. My advice is to make sure you're comparing offer walls against each other to get the best deal for your time. In my country, 1,000 coins equaled $1 worth of United States currency. The minimum cash out for PayPal is $5, but I withdrew cryptocurrency and was paid instantly without any issues whatsoever on Gameplay. Next up, we have G-Reward. G-Reward is a simple but effective little money-making application that has multiple ways you can earn real cash. It has a 20-cent minimum PayPal cash out for only 3,000 of the points. G-Reward also offers you gift card withdrawal options as well, which is great to see. But not only that, they have so many different offer walls available and ways you can earn these points, including playtime rewards, everyone, which is fantastic. I don't know about you out there, but I absolutely love when apps have a playtime reward system. And here in Australia, I could earn between $1 to $2 worth of currency from each of the games. Now, what is also fantastic about G-Reward is that just recently they've actually made it so they have an instant cash out system. At least here in Australia, I get paid instantly for my PayPal withdrawals, and I've had no issues with G-Reward in the past. Next, we have Gain.gg. Gain.gg is a get-paid-to platform that features multiple ways for you to earn cryptocurrency and PayPal currency. It runs on a coin-based currency system where 1,000 coins equals $1 United States currency. Now, at least in my country, guys, I have multiple ways to earn these coins. I find that surveys are probably the easiest way. Here in Australia, I can get roughly $1 or so per survey that I complete. But there are some offers that are available that actually will pay up to $170. These are actually very difficult, so just keep that in mind. But it's nice to see a get-paid-to platform that offers this high amount of rewards. Gain.gg also pays out instantly, at least for crypto, which is awesome to see. Next up, we have Park Inc. Park Inc. is a great little application that allows you to generate PayPal and cryptocurrency 20 times a day. Now, the thing is, you have to watch an advertisement every single time you complete a level, and in return, you generate coins. These coins can then be converted into PayPal or cryptocurrency. 10,000 of the coins equals 1 cent United States currency, and the best thing about this application is that they pay within 24 hours. All you need to do is move the cars out of the car park and then you complete the level. Now, there are 2 other applications that are from the same developer that also work in the exact same way. So what this means is that you can hop between these 3 applications and earn technically 60 times a day towards cash out. When I last reviewed it, there was no minimum cash out for the PayPal either. Pretty decent way to earn some pocket change. Next on the list we have Givey City Rush. Givey City Rush is a unique little application where you build cities to earn cash. Now, the only thing is about Givey City Rush, the application itself is more focused on you guys watching the advertisements instead of actually building the city. Once you play it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but the goal is you earn coins, which then you convert into whatever currency you want to withdraw, because the thing about Givey City Rush is there are multiple cash out options. But the way you break down the currency system is 10,000 of the coins converts to 1 cent USD. I have to say though, City Rush is an extremely low paying application, but it is a legitimate one, and I'm not too sure how many legit applications are available in your country that you're watching from, so I thought I'd suggest it just to see if you guys get some good pay rates. It also pays instantly, at least for cryptocurrency. Next on the list we have Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe is either going to pay you every minute you play a game or pay you on a level based system, which means every time you complete a level you get paid gems. You can then turn these gems into PayPal currency. Of course, depending on where you live, you may have other earning opportunities as well, such as surveys or even an offer wall, but here in Australia the minimum cash out is roughly 67 cents or so for about 5,000 of the gems. The great thing about Cash Giraffe is that it does pay within 24 hours. It also features many different games to play. All in all, a super fun way to earn some cash. Last on the list, we have Money Cash. Now, with Money Cash, it either is going to be an awesome earning opportunity for you or a complete waste of time, because the way this system works is essentially you get paid coins every single minute you play a game. But the minimum cash out is $5 and you need 10,999 coins for an Amazon cash out, right? And when it comes to PayPal, it's a $20 minimum, everyone. So depending on how much free time you have, this is either, as I said, going to be a great opportunity or just not worth it at all. You'll also get some bonuses as well for each of the games that you install. These are categorized under bonus challenges, where if you get to a certain point in the game, the developers will give you an extra reward. Something that I dislike about this application though is that on the home screen, they say that you can earn like 300 to 400 coins on each application that you install and play. But I found that it's nowhere near that, everyone, because once you install the app, you'll probably earn like 30 or 40 coins to start off with, and then the more you play the app, it starts to increase the coin generation. But obviously it gets harder as well the longer you play the app for. Another thing is that it states that if you play a game for like 40 minutes straight, you'll get instantly $5, but I found this never ever is true. Either way, it does pay instantly in my own experience, but the choice is yours if you want to use it. Any links are in the description below. You'll also find my social media links there as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow.